Hello, this is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools, and this is an overview of how to log in and out of your Google Chrome account. Now, it's very important that when you are doing remote learning or working with your students, that both you and your students are using your own Google Chrome accounts related to your school district's domain. So what you want to do is you want to be using Google Chrome because school domains use Google accounts. So you want to be in Google Chrome, which is a web browser, because this works best with the Google accounts. It's all related. So right now I'm in Google Chrome, but you'll notice I'm actually not signed in, as I can tell because this current user doesn't have a user right here. So what I'm going to do is I have a few options. I can log into my Gmail, but this is not the same as also logging into the browser. It's actually two separate things. Gmail is just one app in the Chrome web browser. So a great way to sign in is click that little person, or I also go into settings and I click settings and I can log in here. And I'm going to show you what this looks like using one of my children's accounts, just so you can see. So I'm going to log my son in. Oh, forgot the last piece. Want to make sure you are careful with your password, as I am not being right now. It is case sensitive. There. Finally, there we go. Thank you for your patience. I have twins, so I was putting in the other one's password. So you'll notice up here, his O comes up here, and it comes up here in the browser. So he's logged in here, and he's logged into the browser. And I'm going to hit link data. This is going to pull his data from his school account right onto his home device. And this is great for bookmarks and also for extensions. So you'll notice GoGuardian tells me GoGuardian is running. Great. It also tells me that the Google Meet Grid View is running, as well as all of his bookmarks that he had set at school. And now if he goes to his Google Classroom, it will be connected to his Google Classroom. So this is different than just signing into Gmail. You can sign into Gmail on any Chrome account, but now he is also signed into Chrome, which means he can access these things. And he can access Google Meet as well. And now to sign out, also very important, because now anyone can use the internet, but it's on his account. I'm going to want to go in and hit these three dots, hit settings, and now I'm going to want to turn off. Clear and continue. And now it brings it right back to that main screen. And this will help when you're joining a Google Meet, Google Classroom, checking email. Everyone wants to make sure they're signed into their own account. Thank you.